So this is question 5 from the worksheet from today's classwork, and we're working with dividing bases with the same power now. Last week we talked about multiplying bases with the same power, so now we're working with dividing, so the rule is going to be different. This is for number 5, and we have our expression to be simplified, and we have our 3m to the 6th divided by 15m to the 3rd. Now they both have a base of m, a variable of m, so we can divide our basis. Now the first step is going to be to write each term and expand it. So let's look at our term in the numerator. In expanded form, that's 3 times m times m times m times m times m times m. So we have 6m's, that's m to the 6th. Now remember, this exponent of 6 is only applied to the m, to that base of m. It's not applied to the 3. Remember, if we wanted to raise 3 to the 6th power, we would have to add that exponent 3 to the 6th. So it's only applied to the m power. Okay, so it's m to the 6th. Okay, so it's only applied to that base of m, that exponent of 6. Now that second term in expanded form would be 15 times m times m times m. Now once again, remember, this exponent of 3 is only applied to the base of m. It's not 15 to the 3rd power, so we're only writing that 15 once here. So we have it in expanded form, and remember the rule, so we're kind of saying we first divide our coefficients. So we are going to divide our coefficients. 3 divided by 15 gives us 1/5. It is not 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. It's 3 divided by 15. That would give us 1/5. So we're left with 1 on the top, 5 on the bottom. Now if we simplify, we can kind of start crossing out m divided by m. If you want to add that 1, you can. M divided by m, m divided by m. Notice we're left with 3 m's in our numerator. If we want to represent that, that's m to the 3rd. So in simplified expression, exponential form would be 1 m to the 3rd over 5. There's a couple variations, so you could write it a different way. You could write it as m to the 3rd over 5 as well. That's kind of another way you could write it. Both would be equivalent.